Yoo-hoo! That was fun. Peppa, you should try that too. Yes, you're right. That's so much fun. I love it. We should come to this playground more often. What could we do next, Peppa? Let's swing a little. Okay, it's my turn. Hep, I absolutely love swinging. Yay! That's perfect. George, that's a perfect day. But there is so much more to do. Let's try this carousel. Oh, I hurt myself. Peppa, please come. Oh no, George, what has happened? My head hurts, Peppa. Oh no, George, you're bleeding a little bit. Let's go to Mommy. She will help you. Oh, George, this is something the doctor must check. Let's see if somebody is there. Knock, knock. Don't be scared, everything will be fine. Hi, Susie Sheep. Oh, hi, Peppa. Hi, George. Hello, Mommy Pig. I'm going to examine George now. Oh no, don't be afraid, George. I'm going to be very careful. Please have a seat. Thank you, George. So let's start. Peppa, please change your outfit. Okay. Ta-da, here I am. That's much better, right? Oh, George, we will help you. Peppa, please check his heart rate first. Okay. Oh, George's heart is beating very fast. Yes, of course, I'm afraid. Don't be afraid. I'm just helping you. I think we should wash George's head first. Okay, so let's wash my head. Here in the bathtub, I can wash it. And I wash it carefully. Scrub, scrub. I think it's clean now. Almost. And I'm done. Okay, I need a towel. So, do you have one? Yes, there's a light pink towel. It is super soft and there's a butterfly on it. Yeah, I love it. So, I'll sit down again. Now we can check your head. I take the dirty water away. So, finished. Let's see what we can do for you. I have a first aid kit with me. So let's check the kit. Here's Peppa and here are her tools. First of all, we have a stethoscope. We can check George's heartbeat and his lungs. Let's see if he's okay. I'll take the round thing and hold it against George's chest. Let's see. Da-dum, 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 da-dum. I think he's fine. Yes, he's fine. I'm happy he's okay. Here we have a syringe, but we don't need it for George. We can take this part out and put it back again. We have 2 pieces left. These are scissors. You can use scissors to cut bandages, but we don't need these for George. That's why we put them back. A doctor needs many things to help you. This is some sort of mirror for the mouth, but we don't need it now. Let's put it back. And last but not least, we have some sort of tray here. You can use it for the set of instruments to put in. We are done with the emergency kit now. Let's put it back. I'm so happy we couldn't find anything bad. That was enough action for today, I think. Yes, that's right. But we should put a plaster on his wound. Okay. This is a plaster. I'll open it. Let's see. And there's a little dinosaur. He's cute, right? Let's put it on George's head. He will feel better very soon. Let's put it on him. And here we go. One side and the other side. He looks like a little pirate. Yes, I do. Oh, George, that's it. We can go home. Yes, but Peppa has to change. I've changed my dress. I'm ready to go. Oh, Susie, I'm so proud of you. You've done a great job. Thank you, Mommy. I've tried my best. I want to become a nurse or a doctor when I'm grown up. Yes, you can do that. She did a really great job. Thank you so much, Susie. Would you tell me how much I owe you? Would you give me a friend's discount? Of course I'll give you one. This is $1, please. Here, thank you so much. You're welcome. Bye.